In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a fully automated press pass approval system using n8n. By the end, your workflow will receive applications, validate and verify details, generate a unique press ID and QR code, design a professional badge, email it to the journalist, notify your team, and log everything to Google Sheets, all in seconds. We'll start by creating the entry point. Add a webhook node in n8n, set the method to post, and give it a clear path like /press-application. This is the URL your website form will submit to. Make sure the form collects the applicant's name, email, photo URL, media outlet, event name, and phone number. Keeping the payload consistent makes the rest of the flow reliable. Next, protect data quality with an IF node that checks for required fields. Confirm that name, email, and photo URL are present. If any are missing, stop the workflow and return a clear message that the data is incomplete. It's better to fail fast here than create half-finished credentials later. Now verify the email. Use an email validation API via an HTTP request node, then add another IF node to evaluate the response. You're looking for signs that the domain exists, the MX records are valid, and the address format is correct. If validation fails, end the run with a message like email domain not verified to filter out fake or mistyped submissions. With a valid application, generate the press ID and QR code. In a code node, create a unique identifier such as press, plus a short random string plus a timestamp. Build a verification URL that includes this ID as a parameter. Then call a QR code API to encode that URL. While you're here, store an issue date and an expiration date so the credential has a clear life cycle. Design the badge using an HTML to image node. Create a simple, readable layout that places the journalist's photo, their name, media outlet, the press ID, and the QR code. Add your event branding so it looks official. This node will return a badge image URL for distribution. Send the press pass via a Gmail node. Craft a styled HTML email with a short congratulations, the embedded badge image, a download button, the verification link, and the expiration date. Use a clear subject line so it stands out. Notify your team with a Slack node posting to your chosen channel, including the name, outlet, email, press ID, and the badge link, so organizers stay in the loop instantly. Log everything with a Google Sheets node by appending a row containing the timestamp, press ID, name, email, media outlet, event name, badge URL, and verification link. This becomes your single source of truth. Finally, add a Respond to Webhook node to return a JSON confirmation with success set to true, along with the press ID, verification URL, badge URL, issue date, and expiration date, so your website receives instant feedback.